Hello everyone, here is another video. This one's a 1200mm DEMC ceiling fan. One of three of the same. This one's from 1984. The top canopy was missing when I got it. Same person who gave me the Weatherite picked this up for me. And they didn't give the top canopy. Like the seller who sold it didn't give the top canopy, which is annoying. So what can you do? So we'll turn that on, put it on low. Still haven't fixed that controller. Probably never will. Yeah, these are great fans, really. Very useful. This one's very fast. I'm going to put one of these in my room at some stage. Probably next summer. The only issue is they get very hot, the motors. It is on a 56-inch controller, that's why it's a little bit faster, but I'm lazy and couldn't bother changing the controller out. The Weatherite's over there now, so it's looking good. The Weatherite's still in reverse mode too. Yeah, I kind of just left the terminations hanging because this is not actually permanent install, but using ferrule crimps now as well. They're cool. This thing's a real ripper on high. Yeah, we are joined by Tronan, as per pretty much all my videos, because he doesn't go to school because he's lazy. He's lazy. It's fine, you can say whatever you want about me in your videos. I actually don't mind the look of it without the top canopy though, not gonna lie. What do you think, Tronan? That's a very fast speed 3, now 2. Don't know what that little crunching sound was. maybe something, I don't know. Who cares? I think I'm gonna have to swap the controller for the best performance in the next video. Also, when I got it, some idiot before I had it reverse wired the fan. Some stupid reason, eh? There it is on full. Blows so much air. Very minimal wobble. Oh, I do have the original controllers too. Maybe I can connect one of those in. Except for the fact I'm lazy. This is actually the fastest DEMC I've seen, I think. Spinning out of control will be fast. Thanks for watching.